And if you're playing in range trading, you know, which I've suggested, keep in mind the edge goes to the longs for starting above the blue line. Gives it an easier shot to believe in to try to test the highs first, and then, you know, potentially to even bust them, obviously. We've taken out the high by 1 point from Friday, but we've stayed inside so far that overnight range for the last couple of days. 39.5 is our demon. And we said likely range trading first. It's options X. 36 I've got as the middle on the half cap. You get back in here. If you took a long trying to, you know, just right on top of that blue line and test the highs, and you kept the trailer and get stopped out, no worries. If you're playing from the top, coming back in towards the middle, that's a sensible trade. I said we're probably in risk 2, make 2. You know, for this first hour, we've got some range trading to resolve. My big concern is that we've had 7 up days in a row. We've had doji thrown in there as well. And, you know, we've come a long way. So anytime the boat gets loaded one side or everybody just being a cheerleader for one side, you know, I think it's time to at least think balance. So anybody that's taking that short from the top and take something at 36 and then the trailer. We've got 2 different magnets, several back here, one at 35 and then another one back at that 33.5. So if you get into the 35 zone, you know, done well, and then beyond that, it's good fortune. The real power magnet's back at 32. And I think if you're playing range type trading as we suggested, you know, risk a couple, make a couple. So this is the gap close right here, and then the open actually is 33.5. So that's why you've got two separate magnets. And this is a nice trade. Anybody took this trade coming backwards, as I suggested, let's play a 2-way day. Already had a reasonable, you know, first swing. And don't go overboard, thinking killer, because we've said this is probably still working on the 10-minute trade in chart. And strictly a trailer back into the 34 zone. Nice trade. And this is range type trading, the last swings. Probably caught a few traders who did not think it would pull back at all today. I think this is a very smart trade by the market. And just like earlier this morning, cover into this 34 to 32 zone. 33 and change. And our angel, 32.50. And remember, I was thinking risk 2, make 2 type trading, you know. Not the uppercut, I said. I did not want to see the uppercut today. We had that Friday. Was not looking for that first thing today. Like to see us do some backing and filling. I think we need it. And you take what the market gives you, obviously. So if you got yourself back into the 35 to 34 zone, anything beyond that's good fortune. Still watching this idea over here. Key idea, support till broken, and don't overstay.